Today I'm going to be reviewing the Hugo Boss 1136 aluminium and titanium frames, which for me are the best frames that Hugo Boss have ever made. So hi, I'm Robert, Style and Vision Consultant here at the Spectacle Factory, and it's my job to pair you with your perfect pair of glasses. And I can say for sure that for a lot of people, these are going to be their perfect glasses because they tick so many boxes. I love the geometric shape, the angular shape, which is quite an unusual, quite unique shape. Very creative for Hugo Boss, which usually tend to play it safe with a lot of their styles. I love the use of aluminium, which has this matte, almost slightly iridescent finish. I love the titanium arms. I'm a huge fan of full metal arms without the plastic end tips, as you might have seen in the recent Panthère de Cartier video where I commented on that. And we even have titanium nose pads. They just have a really premium feel, way more premium than the rest of the Hugo Boss collection. These would not be out of place with some of the handmade, most luxurious designers on the planet. I also really like the fact that the Hugo Boss logo is very subtle and very discreet. These aren't shouting what brand they are, they're just nice in their own right. And to me, that's how the best glasses should be. I also really like the concept of the Boulder Rim at the top, contrasting against the invisible rim at the bottom. This is a semi-rimless design. There are just so many style details to this frame which make them almost perfect. You've got the contrasting bridge as well, the singular high brow bar bridge, which makes a real style impact and is definitely something that's really on trend at the moment. I also like the tint on the lenses, which have a slight mirrored finish to them. We can replicate this in your prescription, by the way, create this exact look with whatever prescription you have. They feel so comfortable to wear. Aluminium is even lighter than titanium, so the combination of aluminium and titanium means that these are pretty lightweight. I'm not saying that I can't feel them because of the metal elements which touch the skin. Obviously you are aware of wearing them, but they don't create any pressure anywhere on the face, whether that's behind the ears or on the bridge of the nose. I really love the contrast between the black aluminium and the grey gunmetal titanium. As I say, just every element of this frame, I feel like they got it right. And it's not often that I say that about Hugo Boss. I'm a huge fan of independent designer brands, but in this case, Hugo Boss really hit it out of the park. So there you have it. This is the 1136 from Hugo Boss, the coolest frame that Hugo Boss have ever made. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a like, subscribe to the channel because it really helps us grow. And if you've got any comments about the 1136 or Hugo Boss eyewear in general, leave those in the comment section below. Thanks guys, bye bye.